Hello, I'm Buddy Siegfried, Siegfried Restaurant Equipment. There's something that has come to my attention in the last week or two that I think I want to pass along to you folks that are just buying equipment about one-way pocket dealers. These are big dealers as well as small dealers. They're taking your money, selling you equipment, and one day when you decide you want to upgrade or you want to get rid of some of your equipment, they refuse to buy it back. Remember, when you're buying equipment, deal with people who are willing to buy some of your equipment back and not those that are willing to take all your money and your investment and then treat you as though they don't need you anymore. With us, for an example, if you bought this 20-quart mixer from me for $14.95, 5 years later, I'll put it in writing, I will buy it back for $1,000, meaning it only costs you $100 a year to use the mixer. So please beware of a one-way pocket big dealers and small dealers who refuse to buy any of your equipment back at any price. And one of the reasons for that is the price they're going to give you on the equipment you'll never return. Thank you.